Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Glad to see you here. Today I want to show you my actions on binary option platforms and on the Forex market. That is the biggest market in the world, one of the biggest, and there's billions of dollars that trading every day, and you can bite a piece of this pie. So let's see what's happening. For example, right here we can see that there was a bottom and it's gonna grow, and I'm making a buy. I'm pressing the buy button. Let's wait a couple minutes and let's see what's gonna happen. Let's buy in a couple assets, because you can make that. You can you can choose the assets. There's plenty assets in this spot right here on the list. You have the Forex options, like binary and digital. Right now in binary options 94%, but Forex is not the binary options, because on the binary options you have the spot for catch the price, like 30 seconds, and then you get up to 100% of profit. And here is the different thing. Here you have no time limits. Here you have just movement of the price and two directions, and that's it. Of course, you can use this small widget. This widget shows how all the traders on the platform right now is thinking about the movement of the price. And of course, if you want to get to the platform right now, go to the description panel of this video, find the link, pass by the link, and pass the registration, create your own, write down your email password, create a password. You'll get a notification in your mail in inbox. You confirm in your email, and after you'll be able to trade on the biggest, one of the biggest markets in the world, on the Forex. Of course, there's plenty. I love this platform. Why I love this platform? Because it gives you like plenty of opportunities to make money on. Like right now it's 58 assets that are available, 58 currency pairs that you can trade on and like make money. You can start literally from $10, because $10 is minimum amount of deposit on this platform. And of course, if you're gonna try that, there's plenty of tools, indicators, for example. If you like want to dig a little bit deeper in the trading experience, you can use them. But you can also like trade easily and without an effort. For example, yeah, you can buy or sell the deal. You can open the deal, and after, for example, I don't like the movement of this price, I can close it anytime. Yes, I'm gonna lose like $4, for example, or I can wait while this price will be higher than the line of my prediction. And as you can see, the price is moving all the time, and the price is changing all the time, and you can catch the spot, and you can figure out which way the price will go and invest some money. Again, you can start from $10. I'm using $100 investment. It's not a big money, and of course you need to remember that all the investments in any platform, in any ways, all the investments are pretty risky. So first, my advice: do not invest more money than you can afford to lose, because this is pretty risky and you can get your losses. And you should be ready for the losses, first of all. Of course, if you don't want to take a risk for real money, when you'll get to the platform, you'll be able to trade on practice account that gives you opportunity to be calm and to try and to practice with your predictions without it taking a risk at all. So of course I suggest you to try the practice account first, and after you'll have your experience, at least the minimum of your experience, you'll be able to trade on, you'll be able to make your first deposit, and you'll be able to make real money, and then you can withdraw the plus on your credit card. This is pretty simple and easy. Of course, there's no guarantees. That's why I'm saying that do not invest more money than you can afford to lose, because think about it. If you invest, for example, in the real estate, for example, you buy a flat somewhere in your town, in your city, and you rent it. For example, you rent it monthly or per day, for example. So the point is that you don't have an opportunity to make money fast. And here in this platform, you can make money fast, literally in minutes. You can make it in minutes. For example, right now I have minus 3%, but I believe that the price will go up, and I'm still waiting. Let's see what's happening on the other assets. Also, of course, I can close the deal right now with 5% of minus, and I will not lose more, like many big amount of money. I will lose like $5, but I want to wait a little bit because price is changing, and considering this picture, I think that the price should go up or higher in this spot. I'm gonna wait. I don't want to close the positions without the profit. But anyway, I can afford such risk, so I have a couple thousands on my balance, and I can take such risk to like spend $100 for one bet. Why not? But of course, the main purpose of all your actions on such platforms and on this one in general, to get the profit, isn't it? That's why in any second you can like close the deal with a profit. For example, right here I can see that there's 2% of profit, and in that spot I have like 1% of profit. I can wait a little bit longer, or I can get my profit in $2 and be happy, because $2 of profit is much more than 0%, for example, or it's much more than the loss. But of course, you should be ready for the loss, and I think probably nobody loves to lose the money, yeah. But if you're gonna wait a little bit, you'll see that price is changing all the time. Right now we have some side move. The price is not going fast like here or like here. The price is moving around the line, and I understand that I need to close the deal at least with some profit, or I can lose money for 8%, or right here, how much? Right here is 2% or 1%, or I can wait. You see, price is changing all the time, but I don't like that it moves around the line. We need a big growth. We need more money. But even if you spend like 10 or 20 minutes or 30 minutes on this platform, you'll understand how it works, and you understand how to make money on it. It's pretty simple. You're just choosing the way, you're pressing buy or sell, and then in the spot that you need it, you're pressing close, and that's it. You're getting your profit, or you're getting your loss. But I don't want to get my loss. All right, now you see the side moves almost on. Okay, here I don't like this position. I will close it and reopen it. Let's wait. Here I believe that the price will go up, and I will close position when I'll have at least like a couple % of profit. There's binary options where you have the time spot. Here you don't have the time spot. You don't have a limitation for you don't have a time limits, and you just need to try to find the profit in here. But even if you like lost for $5, you can afford to lose $5, for example. But you know that you're gonna make like more bucks in your next deal. Or you can wait until the price will be on the same line, for example, and to save the percent. It's pretty similar situation on many assets right now. Just a couple seconds, we'll see. All right. Profit. Don't be greedy. Closing position with a profit. Okay, what's happening here? Also, the price started growing. It's growing right now. So you get the point. So if you have some time, if you have some amount of money to invest, this is the great tool to make money online. Go to the description panel of this video, find the link, pass the registration, and try to trade by yourself. I wish you good luck. I wish you to understand that this is absolutely interesting and safe, but do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Wish you good luck, and see you in the next videos. Bye.